In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and edit a Google site with ease. Google Sites is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create collaborative web pages, and editing these sites is a straightforward process that can be done by anyone, even if you're new to using the platform. Let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to find your Google site that you'd like to edit. You can do this by accessing the Google Sites main menu. This menu is your gateway to all the sites you've created or have editing rights to. You'll typically find this option when you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. It's designed to be intuitive with all your tools and navigation options easily accessible. Select the Google site you want to modify. This should open up the published version of your site. Now, while you might be tempted to start poking around and changing things right away, it's best to have a clear idea of what aspects of the site you want to update. Do you want to change some of the text, maybe update images or alter the layout? Keep these goals in mind as you proceed. After you've pinpointed the site you wish to edit, look for the Edit button. This can often be found in the upper part of the window, represented by a pencil icon. Click this to enter the editing mode. Once in the editing interface, you'll notice that each section of your site is a separate editable block. This modular feature allows you to adjust content individually without disturbing the rest of your site. Now, let's say you want to change the text on your home page or another accessible page. Simply click on the text you wish to alter, and you'll be able to type directly into the text box or use the formatting tools to change the font style, size, or color. If you're looking to update an image, click on the image placeholder, and you'll have options to either select an image from your computer or make use of Google's extensive image search and storage options through Google Drive. It's also worth mentioning the importance of previewing your changes regularly. As you make edits, make use of the preview function. This allows you to see how your site will appear to visitors on different devices, ensuring it's responsive and professional looking. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to click Publish to make sure those changes go live. And there you have it. Your Google site is now updated with the modifications you wanted. With these simple steps, editing your Google site becomes a stress-free, even enjoyable part of maintaining your online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.